Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss a very important topic, CORS issue in Node.js. So this is a very common issue whenever we are creating any API in Node.js. So once we deploy the API on any of the server, so this CORS issue starts coming. So we will discuss how to fix this CORS issue, what is CORS and how it can be fixed, specifically in Node.js. So let us start the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So CORS basically it stands for cross origin resource sharing. So when the origin is not same, then this issue comes. So whenever your API is on server and you are trying to access it from some other location, I mean the origin is not same, client is on different origin and server is on different origin, then this CORS issue comes. Now you can see in this example, both client and server, they are both on same origin. So both are on localhost. The port are different, but still the origin is same. So this particular example doesn't come under cross origin resource sharing. Now once both the client and server, they are on the same origin or same laptop, so it works fine. But the problem comes once we deploy it on the server. So in order to fix this in Node.js, Node.js provides CORS module. So you just need to install npm I for install CORS. So whatever if you are using Express, if you are using KOA, if you are using Node Monitor, or you can simply use Node also. So the main the main purpose of this video is to fix CORS. So whatever framework you are using for creating API, that doesn't matter. This CORS will work. So what you can do, you need to first install CORS. So this CORS will install using npm I for install CORS. Once CORS is installed, then it will be used as a middleware. Middleware means whenever there is any request, it will check if that particular request is allowed or not. So cross origin means it will allow different origins. So you can see in this particular thing, we have provided two origins. So only the request that will be coming from these two origins that will be allowed. Apart from this, if somebody else is trying to access that, it will throw an error. Second part is like if you want to make it available for all the origins. So again, it will be used as a middleware. You can see this app is basically from Express. So they have created the module for Express, and then app.get, app.put, app.post, then app.use. Use is for middleware, and we are using this as, you can see origin star means now it will allow all the requests that are coming from any location. So this way, like once you use this CORS module as a middleware, you can fix this CORS issue in Node.js. So friends, this was all about what is CORS, why CORS issue comes once like we have different origins, and it doesn't comes once the origin is same. So again, in terms of security also, you can only allow a few origins so that like it is only accessible from the known origins. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.